Hello to everybody! I'll discuss the ideal method for grouting ceramic wall tiles today. Your tiled walls will look better and last longer if the grout is applied correctly. Let's start by going through the steps of creating beautiful grout lines. Step 1. Gather materials. Let's get the needed supplies before we start. A pail of clean water, a grout float, a grout sponge, a clean cloth or towel. Step 2. Getting ready for the grout. Start by mixing the grout according to the manufacturer's directions. Normally, you'll need to mix water and grout powder in a fresh bucket. Stir until a smooth, creamy consistency is reached. Step 3. Applying the grout. Place a sizable amount of grout onto the surface of the grout float. Make sure to completely fill the tile joints as you press the grout into them while holding the float at a 45-degree angle. Step 4. Work in sections. Work in small pieces to avoid the grout from drying out too rapidly. A piece of 3 to 4 square feet is typically workable. This gives you enough time to remove any excess grout before it sets. Step 5. Remove any extra grout. Hold the grout float at a steeper angle, approximately 60 degrees, once the grout has been applied to the portions. To remove extra grout from the tile surfaces, use the float's edge. Step 6. Clean the grout. Wet a grout sponge with fresh water after removing the extra grout with a scraper. Start at the top corner of the tiled wall and carefully wipe across the grout lines in a diagonal motion to get rid of any extra grout. Step 7. Allow the grout to cure. It's important to give the grout time to cure once you have completed grouting the entire tiled wall. Regarding the recommended period, which is normally 24 to 48 hours, follow the manufacturer's direction. There you have it, then. How to grout ceramic wall tiles the right way.